Here all the substrates are common, so we don't have to again simplify the substrates. We will directly perform the addition and subtraction wherever required. So we will first see the denominator, that here multiplication is there, we can solve it first. So 3 to the power 7 by 3, substrate is common, 3 to the power, now multiplication is there, so we will add the powers, 3 plus 4 plus 3, now 3 to the power 7 by 4 plus 3 is 7, 3 to the power 7. Now when this denominator will come into the numerator, its power sign will change, 3 to the power multiplied by 3 to the power minus 7. Now here if we apply the product rule, 3 to the power 7 minus 7, that means 3 to the power 0. Now any number power 0 will be 1. 1 can be written as their prime factors, 3 multiplied by 7, because this will make us easier to perform calculations here. So we will write 3 multiplied by 7 instead of 21. 3 multiplied by 7 power 2 into 11 power 8 by 3 multiplied by 7 into 11 power 3. Now here no power is there, means it is having power 1. So whatever is in the denominator, if we take them to the numerator, their power will change into negative sign. Here also no power is there, that means power 1 is there. So we will take 3 power 1, this will go in the numerator, then it will become 3 power minus 1, then comes 7 power 2, this will go into the numerator, then it will change the sign, 7 power minus 1, 11 power 8, this will go to the numerator, then sign will get negative, power will get negative, 11 power minus 3. Now these common substrates we will add, so 3 power 1 minus 1 multiplied by 7 power 2 minus 1. We are just adding the powers as the substrates are common, 11 power 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3. Now 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 power 0 into 7 to the power 2 minus 1 is 1, 7 power 1 into 10 to the power 8 minus 3 is 5, 11 power 5. Now 3 power 0, 3 power 0 is 1, so we will directly write here 1. Substrate is gone, only 1 we have to write. 7 power 1 means 7 into 10, 11 to the power 5. So the final answer will be 7 multiplied by 11 power 5. You can further solve it, but there is no need to solve it further. We can still simplify this. We can write it in the form of 5. So 25 can be written as 5 power 2. So in place of 25 we will write 5 power 2. 5 power 2, and above that is the power 4 divided by 5 power 3. Now this is the power of the power. So here applying this rule we will get 5 power 2 multiplied by 4 divided by 5 power 3. Now 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. So 5 power 8 divided by 5 power 3. Now the substrates are common, so we can apply quotient's law here. So 5 power, these will be subtracted, 8 minus 3, you will get 5 power 5. Now 5 power 5 is 3, 1, 2, 5. This means that 5 is multiplied 5 times. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, and you will get the answer 3125. Here we will apply zero exponent law. That means any number power 0 is 1. That means 2 to the power 0 is 1, 3 to the power 0 is 1, 4 to the power 0 is 1. So here 1 plus 1 plus 1 we will have to write. That will come out to be 3. Solve the inner bracket first, then we will solve the outer bracket. So in inner bracket we can apply the rule of power rule. That means these are the power on the same common substrate. So these will not get added, these will get multiplied. So to simplify this, we can write 2 multiplied by 3 into 5 to the power 4. This is the bigger bracket, we will keep it as it is, divide by 5 by 7. Now after multiplying, this will become 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 into 5 power 4, divide by 5 power 7. Now these are the common substrates and the power will be added here because they are in the multiplication. So 5 power 6 plus 4 divided by 5 power 7. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. So 5 power 10. Now we can open the bracket, divide by 5 power 7. Now they are in division, so we can apply quotient law. Now if the two substrates are in division, their power can be subtracted. So 5 power 10 minus 7. Now 10 minus 7 is 3. So 5 power 3 is the answer here. Here two big numbers are here, 4, 32. Now we will see that if we can convert them into power of 2 or power of 3 basic numbers. So 4 can be converted as 2 power 2 and 32 can be converted as 2 power 5. Now we can write these power of 2 in place of these numbers. So we will get 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 power 4 multiplied by 2 power 2, and here in the denominator 2 multiplied by 2 power 5. Now why we have done this is, now we can directly add or subtract the powers as we are having common substrates. So applying the product rule, power of product rule, we will directly take these two substrates and they are having powers 3 and 2, so we will add it, 3 plus 2, and 3 is a different substrate, so we cannot add it. 3 power 4 we will leave it as it is. Now here in the denominator substrates are common. No power means power 1 is there, so 1 plus 5 we will write, 2 power 1 plus 5. Now we can directly add this will give 5 and this will give 6. So 2 power 5 multiplied by 3 power 4 by 2 power 6. Now these two we can apply power of quotient law. So here substrate is same, so we will take only same substrate 2 and their power will be subtracted as they are in the division format. So 5 minus 6 will be the power here into 3 to the power 4. So here what we will do is we will subtract this. So 2 power minus 1 into 3 power 4. So if a number is having power minus 1, then it will go into the denominator. So 3 power 4 by 2. Now 3 power 4 is 81. 81 by 2. This is the simplified answer. Now to solve this, we will first see that there is a pattern, 5 by 3, 5 by 3, 5 by 3. Now we can do what is, first simplify this part. So simplifying the left hand side, we will get 5 by 3. We can merge these powers together. Whenever there is multiply sign between the two numbers, their power are going to be added. So minus 5 plus 11 we will write is equal to 5 by 3 to the power 8 plus x. Now it is comparable, the substrate is common and the exponents are similar. Now we can keep them as equal entities. So we can simplify this further. 5 by 3 minus 5 plus 11 will be, we will have to do subtraction, that will give us 6, and sign of the bigger number is plus, so it will be plus 6 equals to 5 by 3 to the power 8 by 8 plus x. Now the substrate is common, we can directly compare the exponents. So 6 is equals to 8 plus x. Now 8 can go to the other side, then it will carry minus sign. So 6 minus 8 equals to x. Now 6 minus 8 is 2, and sign of the bigger number will be minus 2 equals to x. So the value of x is minus 2.